American Goulash or Italian Ziti, 1 pound of extra lean hamburger, 1/2 diced onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 diced green pepper, 1/2 diced red pepper, salt and pepper to taste or seasoning salt, 1 1/2 cans of 15-ounce tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, package of Ziti or elbow macaroni, cheddar and Parmesan cheese. In a pot on medium heat, add some oil to brown the hamburger in. Browning extra lean hamburger on medium heat. Add a little pepper to taste. Onions, garlic, green and red bell peppers. Add your onions and bell peppers and garlic to your browned ground beef. And add 1.5 cans of tomato sauce. Add about 1/2 can of water and then stir. Add your seasoning salt, your basil, and oregano. Bring to a boil, cover, and simmer for about 20 minutes. Shred 2 cups of cheddar cheese. In a large Pyrex pan, use some non-stick spray. In another pot, add water and oil. Bring to a boil for the noodles. Cook 4 cups of Ziti or elbow macaroni in a boiling pot of water with a teaspoon of oil until tender. Noodles boiling. Garlic bread, which is French bread with butter, garlic salt, and paprika. And then you warm it in the oven. Drain noodles. Noodles added to sauce after the sauce is simmered for 20 minutes. Pour American Goulash or Italian Ziti in a 9x13 glass pan. Cover American Goulash or Italian Ziti with 2 cups of cheddar cheese and 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Place uncovered in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. Baked American Goulash or Italian Ziti. American Goulash or Italian Ziti with garlic bread and wine.